Hi, Jaden. We are going to work on our spelling right now. So you will need to get out your spelling and writing conventions book. Have this and a nice sharpened pencil with an eraser. You're going to be on page 15 in your book. So get your book ready. Okay. The top part here is just reviewing some of our spelling sounds. So all will be spelled A-L-L. R will be spelled A-R. Will be spelled E-R. E will be spelled E-A. Well, that's one of the spellings. The short O sound, ah, will be spelled with an O. All, once again, is A-L-L. Th is T-H. And E by itself is another spelling for the long E. Okay, you are going to do the editing. Let's read the sentence together. Will your dog bark if he hears thunder? So how many mistakes should you be able to find there? You should be able to find 2 mistakes. Go through and see if you can find the 2 mistakes. Remember, when we're looking for editing errors, we're looking for capitals at the beginning of each sentence. We're looking at the spelling of each word, and we're looking for punctuation at the end. So go ahead and check each of those things and see if you can find those 2 mistakes. Okay, did you find both of them? You should have found that the beginning of the sentence needed to start with a capital letter. So you should have crossed that out and written a capital W. And did you find the word dog was spelt that began with a B, and dog should have began with a D. So make sure that you crossed off bog and changed it to dog. Okay? Next, I'm going to dictate some sounds that I want you to write on these lines. Listen. The first sound pattern is all. Write the sound pattern all for number 1. And you should have written A-L-L. Number 2, the sound is Z. Write Z on the line for number 2. And you should have spelled that with a Z. Number 3, the sound is should be spelled with 2 letters. Which 2 letters? E-R. Number 4, that should be spelled with a U. And number 5, V. And that should be spelled with a V. Good. All right, go ahead into the pattern word over here underneath the, it looks like a lion. Is that a lion? Yeah, it looks like a lion. Okay. So, you're going to write the word tall. Okay. First, write tall in the box. What's the first sound you hear in tall? T. And then how did you spell all? A-L-L. What word do you have there? You have tall. But you're not finished with that word yet. I want you to add a suffix or word ending. Okay? to the word tall. And I want you to change tall into taller. Taller. What do you need to add to the end of tall? ER. Good job. Go to the next box. The base word that you're going to write down is fall, like you can fall down. What was the beginning sound of fall? F. What was the rest of fall? ALL. But you're not done yet. I want you to change fall into falling. I am falling. What did you add to the end? ING. Good job. And the last one that you're writing in the bottom box here is the word dark. Right? Dark. It is dark outside at night. Dark. What is the first sound in dark? D. How did you spell R? AR. And the last sound? K. Should have spelled it with a K, not a CK. Just a K by itself. You only use a CK if you have a short vowel sound. Okay? So it should be PARK. But you're not finished with the word yet. I'm sorry, did I say P? I meant D. D. Dark is DARK. And now you're going to change dark into darker. The later it gets, the darker it gets. What did you add to the end of dark? Is spelt with a ER. Good job. Next, if you could go across here to your pattern words under the elephant, and I'm going to give you the words to write down. The first word is let. Write let on the line. And you should have spelled that with an L-E-T. Next one, get. And you should have spelled that with a G-E-T. Next is late. And you should have spelled that L-A-T-E. And the last one is her. And you should have spelled that H-E-R. Going up to the ice cream cone, I'm going to give you some tricky words I want you to write down. The first tricky word is what. And that should be spelled W-H-A-T. Next word, do. And that should be spelled D-O. Next word, from. Don't get confused. Remember that sound is not going to be spelled with a U. How is it spelled? F-R-O-M. That's what makes it tricky. That O can make a schwa sound. And your last pattern word, into. And you should have spelled that I-N-T-O. Okay, good job. Go down to the sentence. I'm going to tell you a sentence to write. I'm going to read it quickly first, and then I'm going to go back and read it slowly, okay? So you're writing right here on the line. All right, listen to the sentence. A ball did not fall from the sky. A ball did not fall from the sky. Do you need me to read it slower? A ball did not fall from the sky. Go ahead and finish that up. I want you to go back and proofread your sentence, looking to see if you can make any changes. What do we check for when we're editing? We check for a capital at the beginning, we check the spelling of each word, and we check for punctuation at the end. So go ahead and check those things. And I will go ahead and spell that for you. So for the first one here, you should have a capital A, then a space, the word ball, B-A-L-L, space, the word did, D-I-D, space, the word not, N-O-T, space, the word fall, F-A-L-L, space, the word from, F-R-O-M, space, the word the, T-H-E, space, the word sky, S-K-Y, and a period at the end of your sentence. Jaden, you did a great job with spelling today. Continue to work hard and put forth your effort. And have a good day. Bye.